These are the cutouts that I got off of eBay. I think it's called Black Horse Racing. I got them from them. And they got welded in back here. The mid mufflers were deleted already. But these are the cutouts, like I said, I purchased. And they are wired up back here. I'm gonna open it so you can see. I think you can see this one open. Open and close. That's open. See it there? And close. Open. Close. And it worked pretty well. It's pretty freaking loud. I love it. So, I am going to do a cold start now and let you hear it. Up again. And there's the connectors there. There's where they connect, like right there. You see that there? I did put shrink wrap over there, hopefully to keep the water out of there. And if I did have to disconnect it or take it apart, it's easy just to cut around that and it'll come right off of there. It's an access right here to the trunk, just a plug. I just actually just drilled a hole through there, plastic. And it's then I filled it in with silicone to keep it from leaking. So these are the wires here coming from underneath the car. Like I said, it's an access hole here, or a drain plug, I don't know where it's rubber. Roll through there, got the wires there. And I did put silicone in there to seal it up. Not the prettiest thing in the world. And these are the cables here. And here's the module that it plugs into. Everything plugs into this module here. These are the two cutouts coming from underneath the car. And the source right here. I have them on there like that. And it did come with a cigarette lighter plug where you plug it into the cigarette. So I just cut that cord, figure out which one was the ground. And this is the hot side. So I just put a cable on there to the battery. I just cut it on there. A terminal attached to the battery, positive side there. And there is a fuse in here. It's a fuse in here. And it's all fused through there. I forgot what amperage fuse that it was, what size that is. I think I put a 10 in there and it kept blowing the fuses or whatever. And I'm not sure exactly what the size was. But anyway, it's a 15 in there now. So far, no problems. And I grounded the other side here, an extended cable right there. So it's all there. Key fob that came with the cutouts. I think A closes it, B opens it up. And I pretty much keep it in the armrest pocket there, because what I did was I programmed these buttons right here. So the number 1 would close it, the number 2 button would open it up. And how you program it is, I think you have to like hold this up here, like as you hold one button. You hold the one button, or whatever button you're trying to program, just hold it down and hold one of those buttons at the same time. I think it'll start flashing or something like that, then you'll know it's programmed. So instead of using a key fob here, I just use that now, and it's pretty convenient. Yes, listen to that sucker right there. That thing is nice. Push the start button. We're gonna get us on the news. Hit it, Rick. Come on. We're gonna die. We're gonna die, Junior.